Good Thursday evening to you. Chief Meteorologist Richard Scott starting to look at the latest forecast trends, getting more concerned about flooding across Alabama as we continue to get a lot of rain tracking across the state. Here's the radar loop as of Thursday evening, and look at all the rain across Alabama. Some of this is locally heavy. We've had reports of flash flooding back in Mississippi, some of that starting nose into parts of southwest Alabama. Down in Choctaw County, got some flash flooding issues as of about 9:30 this Thursday evening, and this rain will continue that up over the next several hours, and we're stuck right between a ridge to our east, upper air trough, upper level low to our west, and we're right in that zone where we get a lot of heavy rain right in between those two features. And what's going to happen, this rain will continue to pile up, and I think that will cause some flooding issues. Here's one computer model we look at. This is HRRR model. This is a very high resolution model. It actually looks like a rain, the output you see here, and that's just showing where there could be rain. This may not be exactly right, but it's got a good idea of what's going to happen over the next 15 hours. We go through tonight, rain continues. Tomorrow morning, it's still got rain over West Alabama, so that means it's going to rain a lot overnight tonight and into the day tomorrow. Here's another forecast model. This is the RPM, another model that's high resolution we look at. When building these forecasts, this model continues to show the rain tonight, during the day, tomorrow, additional waves of showers and thunderstorms across the state. Here's 6:30 tomorrow evening. Still got some storms out there, but there's going to be breaks in the activity. We'll have heavy rain, then a break in the heavy rain, and then more rain as we go into the day on Saturday. Notice still got some showers Saturday morning, then another wave of heavier rain and thunderstorms moves in through the day on Saturday. This model is showing later in the day there could be storms at any time, so keep the umbrella handy. But this forecast model suggesting could be later in the day on Friday or Saturday when we get that rain. This is what we're concerned about, the potential for flooding across the state. The model's now all of a sudden saying we're going to have a lot of rain, big-time rainfall amounts. This is off the RPM, and understand this is model output. This isn't an exact forecast. This is what a model is suggesting could happen, kind of like a scenario. If this scenario is right, we're going to have flooding. Areas over West Alabama, this is suggesting 4 to 7 inches of rain, which is incredible. Hopefully we're not going to see that much rain, but we need to update that forecast and at least highlight the possibility we could have some flooding. So if you live in a low spot, an area that typically floods, or if you're driving in your car and you come across a flooded roadway, please turn around, don't take a chance. We have had some fatalities back to the west of Alabama because of people driving through flooded waters, especially back in Louisiana where they had really bad flooding over the past several days. So our local forecast, we got a really good chance for rain and thunderstorms occasionally on Friday and on Saturday. And there's going to be breaks in the rain. Sunday, just a few showers still sticking around. By Monday, mostly dry and a lot warmer next week. On Tuesday, we're talking about highs in the low 80s. And then some more showers and storms move in on Wednesday and into Wednesday night of next week. And I do want to remind you the time change happening this weekend. We'll go back into daylight saving time. That happens early Sunday morning before sunrise. And before you go to bed Saturday night, set the clock ahead 1 hour.